Hello, assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching today's video. Today I'll show how to use uh, the fillet command. So at first I'm taking a rectangle. Okay, first I'm taking the rectangle, then draw a rectangle. Wish the dimension. So I'm going to select the fillet, then click the radius, and radius will be 2 inch. So click here and another click is here. Okay, done. Then again I am selecting the fillet and the radius will be what, 2 inch. Click here and another click is here. Okay, we can change also in another way. You can select the fillet, then click is here and apply the radius. It will be 2 inch. Another click is here. Okay, again select it and one click is here, then select the radius to 2 inch. Another click is here. Okay, done. Thank you for watching this.